Welcome back to the tutorial of bitstreamio.com. So in this tutorial, you will be learning about what is tokens. So coming to the tokens the smallest unit of a program. In tokens, we have first is like that is identifiers. The next is keyword, literals, operators, and separators, then comments. Okay, so these are the six topics you will be learning in tokens. In the next thing, the first thing that is the identifier. So identifier is a name given for a program. Okay. So identifier is nothing but it is a name given for the program. So for example, in the previous thing have been created a class called demo, right? So in this demo is there, right? This is called as identifier, the name which we have given for the program. So this is an identifier. And what is the next topic? That is a keywords. So keywords are the predefined words which has its own meaning in Java. Okay, so there are nearly 50 keywords. Okay, that are like for example, public, class, super, while, for, new, float, all these and abstract, new, these all are keywords. Okay, so in this example I'll show you which all are keywords. So where is that? Yeah, so it's over here. So here the public and class is also a keyword. These two are keywords. Okay, and here static is also a keyword. So and the next topic, that is a literals. So coming to the literals are the value which is used to store, so which is used in programming. Okay, so that is nothing but a value. So in the values we have first thing, that is number literals. In number literals we have integer literals and decimal literals. And the next thing, we have character literals. The character literals is nothing but it will be enclosed using the single quotes. And the string literals, okay, the string literals, it will be enclosed using the double quotes. Okay, and the Boolean literals. Boolean literals is nothing but true or false. So I'll give just one example for this. I'll come back here. Suppose think that if you are using an integer of x and you want to give a integer number. So I'll be giving in 1 or 10, anything. Okay. And the next thing is I'll be giving it as double. Double. This is a 20.2222 something I'll be giving. So this is an integer literal and this is the what decimal literal. And the next thing is character is equals to, that is single one, right? So single means you will be giving in single quotes. I'll give you A is equals to A I'll give. Okay. And I'll be giving B. Sorry, string I'll take. String. So whatever the string I write, name is equals to Karthik. Okay, so this is how we will be writing. Okay, and here see all the things. This one I'll be telling you why I have given string only as capital and these all are in lowercase. Okay, in the next chapter. Okay, you don't worry about this. So you see here also I have given the string value. Okay, so at that time I have used the double quotes. Okay, right? And the next thing is the Boolean literals. So Boolean, how to assign the Boolean literals? Boolean literals nothing but true or false. Suppose Karthik Boolean. It is Boolean of a name or anything. I'll take B equals TRQB. True. So I have given this, I'll be giving whether it is true or false. That's it. Okay, this is a Boolean literal. So these are the literals which you will be using for giving the value in our Java program. Okay. So coming to the next thing, that is operator. So operator is a symbol. Okay, it is a symbol used to perform some operations on operand. So here these 5 and 3 are operands. Okay. We will be using plus operator. Okay, some symbol. This is a symbol, right? So we will be using this plus operator to perform the operation. Okay. So this is the operator. So this is how we do. So an example which I can give you is, suppose, see, I'll take I'll take a print statement. I'll tell that 10 minus 5. Okay, this is the these 10 and 5 are the operand when minus is the operand. Okay, I'll just execute it. That. So I'll just execute it. See, I'm getting 5. That's the answer. So this two are operands. Using the operands only you can perform operator. Okay, operations. So there are similarly different operators. There is a topic called as operator, so you will be learning over there all this. So there are like quinary operator, arithmetical operator, and different operators like bitwise operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, as you can see over here. Okay, so you will be learning all this one by one. Okay, don't worry about this. And the next thing, that is separators. So separators are used to separate the given code or in the Java program. Okay, so these are the separators which we have. That is, we have brackets and these are flower brackets, and this one is array brackets which we will be using, and these are the parameters which you will be using for an argument, semicolon for every end of the line, and this is a comma. So I'll just give you an example over here. See, suppose we have to create any another method you imagine. Okay, so we'll be using these curly braces to separate this. So this method is different and this method is different, right? So whatever I write over here, it is different, and whatever I write over here is different. And the next thing is array braces. So string of array I have used over here, right? For array braces you will be using, and you will be using a like what is that? Just a minute. So you will be using a parameter. So for parameters, you will be using normal curve braces. Okay. To pass any arguments, you will be using this. And the next thing is semicolon. Semicolon you have been used over here. See, for every line, for every end of this line, I will be using. See, if I give a semicolon over here, this line is end over here, or else it continues. Okay, and the comma. Suppose if you want to write more than one uh, arguments or anything, at that time you will be using comma. Okay, that one you will be using usually in the array, or more than one thing for initializing. Suppose I'll be giving x comma, I'll be giving 20 comma, I'll be giving 30, like that. Okay, at that time you can use in the arrays, I mean. Okay, and what is the next thing, that is comments. So comments are, there are of two types. Okay, So comments are used to provide the additional information. It's nothing but to give a additional information and we'll be using. So in comments we have that is single line comment and block level comment. So I'll be giving you the demo of that. So see, block level, I'll be showing you the single line comment. So here I'll just write inside this, I'll be writing this is a print statement. Okay. And this is so this one will be the single line comment. And suppose if you think that if you want to comment all this block of code, so at that time, if you give right, you cannot give the same thing. So what I'll be doing, the block of code, I'll be using slash star, and to end I'll be giving star slash. Okay. So at that time I'll be able to block this block of code. Okay. So these are the two types of comments which we have. So these are the tokens which we have already learned. So thank you guys. We'll be see in the next tutorial. Okay.